Hello friends, day 84. The bad news is the tent repair is not holding together particularly well. It was a bit windy and a bit wet last night, and the hole is beginning to reappear. But the good news is that Gossamer Gear have agreed to just replace the tent free of charge, and so I'm getting a new one delivered to Inverness, which I can pick up in about 5 or 6 days. And in the meantime, we've done a bit of a bodge repair on the old repair, and so hopefully that'll stay together for another few days. I met Katie and Gaz from Australia this morning. They've got 2 days left to go on their Land's End to John O'Groats, so good luck to them. And then big news was that I met up with half of the Bristol 4. I met Rick and Fran for lunch, and it was great to catch up with them. They're heading north and I'm heading south, of course. Fran and I were casually looking at estate agents, as you do, and amazingly there was a 2-bedroom place in Wick that was going for 65,000, and for 380,000 you could have a 6-bedroom, 5 reception room place. Incredible the difference, isn't it? I stocked up with food, so I've now got plenty of food for the next few days, probably enough to get me to Inverness in fact. So see you on the trail. This is a piece of elasticated cord that Rick had in his camper van, and I'm going to use that to attach to the guy rope, and hopefully that will stop any tears in the new tent. Lots of goodies here to make up a new trail mix, and I will now have 2 kilos of trail mix, which should last me ages. I'm staying at the Mackay Hotel, which is number 1 Ebenezer Place. Apparently the shortest street in the world at 6 foot 9 inches.